Now students, we are going to consider the second case of convex mirror when the object is at finite distance from the mirror. Okay, so you can take the object anywhere on this side of the mirror. Okay, so I am taking it somewhere here. Let me extend this line. Let us suppose that I have taken the object here. Name this object as AB. Now we assume that a parallel ray is coming from this object and striking the surface of this convex mirror. Fine. Now when a parallel ray of light comes parallel to the principal axis, okay, it is always reflected back such that it diverges from here, and after diverging it appears to meet at or pass through the focus of this convex mirror. Fine. Now if we consider, because for image formation we have to consider at least two rays, light rays. Now we are considering that another light ray is coming and striking the surface of this convex mirror here. Now as we have studied in the rules that if a light ray, it passes through the center of curvature, then it retraces its path. So as it is striking here, it appears to be passing through the center of curvature of this mirror. Fine. So it came from this path and then it retraced its path, and therefore it will seem to have followed the same path but in opposite direction. Fine. Now you can see that these two rays, they appear to meet at a point. Where is this point? This point is between the pole and focus of this convex mirror. Fine. And we know that where the two light rays meet, the image will be formed there. So the image will be formed here. Okay. We will name this image as A dash, B dash. Now, what can you tell about the nature of this image formed? As you can see here that this image, the object was of this size and the image is smaller in size. So the very first thing we can say is that the image formed is diminished, or we can say it is smaller in size than the object. Fine. Now what about the position? Where is this image forming? The image is formed between the pole and focus of this convex mirror. Fine. Now talking about whether this image is real or virtual. As the image is not formed in front of the mirror, it is forming behind the mirror. So this image is virtual, and you can see that this image is upright above the principal axis. Fine. Therefore it is erect. So talking about when the object is at finite distance from the mirror, what will happen in case of convex mirror? We will get an image which is highly diminished, or smaller than the size of the object, and it is formed between the pole and the focus of the convex mirror, and this image is virtual and erect in nature.